Want to build a real-time chat application with Python and Flask? Let's do it. Scalable, shareable, and lightning fast. Step 1. Set up your Flask environment. Install Flask, Flask-SocketIO for real-time communication, and Redis for handling messages. Open your terminal and type pip install Flask-SocketIO Redis. Your directory structure should look like this: app/static/templates/models.py, and root/. Step 2. Implement real-time messaging using Flask-SocketIO. This lets users communicate instantly without page reloads. Use the ES-SocketIO DON decorators to handle WebSocket events like connect, message, and disconnect. Now let's enhance your chat app with these powerful features. User authentication, secure login and session management using Flask Login. Password hashing for user data security. Private and group chats. Create routes for private and group messaging. Notifications and read receipts. Add real-time notifications using Redis pub sub. Show status indicators like typing. And read. File sharing. Allow uploading files via WebSocket messages. Store files locally or on cloud storage like AWS S3. Step 4. Scale your app for high traffic. Redis ensures smooth message handling and storage. Load balancing with Nginx manages heavy traffic. Boom! Your real-time chat app is live. Want me to show you how to add end-to-end encryption or scale further with Kubernetes? Comment below and hit subscribe.